Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a draw.io diagram to Confluence. And adding draw.io diagrams to Confluence allows you to visualize workflows, processes, and system design directly within your pages. First, open Confluence, go to the left-hand panel, click Apps, and then click Explore More Apps. From here, you may see draw.io in the spotlight. If it is not visible, search for draw.io instead. Add it to your Confluence and follow the setup steps. As you can see, I have already added draw.io for tutorial purposes. Next, create a new page by clicking Create, then choose Create a Page. In the new page, type a / and start typing draw, then choose to insert a new draw.io diagram or embed an existing one. To insert a draw.io diagram, click on Diagrams and wait for it to load. Then choose a template from the available categories such as flowchart, network, or org chart. Once you are happy with the diagram, click Publish or click Create to save it on the page. And that's it. We just learned how to install the draw.io app in Confluence, insert new or existing diagrams, and publish them for collaborative editing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.